We are about to go to the rainforest. Trying to get some waters. They told us to bring water and snacks. A swimsuit. So I'm wearing my swimsuit, check. Got my waters and my snacks, check. This is a 7-hour adventure. Ever since Bae told me 7 hours, I've been saying 7 hours. Cause this is 7 hours. Bae, you want me to take all 5 of these waters?
You can.
That bag gonna be heavy. Yeah, definitely need some chapstick from Ashley lips.
You might.
Mine, yeah, I'm talking about you. He know I was recording.
You got my shoes?
I got your shoes. I got my shoes. I gotta get my shades because they got mud all over from yesterday. So I want to rinse them off. Thank you, sir. What other battery? For the GoPro?
I got 3.
Jesus Christ.
What?
Just make sure that thing didn't go to you.
I didn't never know how long the battery lasts. It came with 1. I brought the charger. There was 2. I want the charger.
Let me get my shades. What?
Mistaken this shit.
You didn't ever wear your shades, so they not dirty, huh?
Yep, I see better. You need to go back here?
Yeah, I gotta get my shoes that I'm gonna wear. My sneakers. And I gotta wash these glasses off. I don't know. That don't sound like no frog. It did sound like a frog was in the house last night. Yeah, I woke up. It was about, about 2 o'clock, I want to say, this morning. And it sounded like one of them little chirping frogs was in the house. Bae was like, it's outside. It's probably somewhere on the wall watching us right now. That thing was loud.
Yeah, my wife's crazy. If y'all been following her on YouTube, y'all already know.
Whatever. That frog was in here and it was trying to get me. I know it was. It's probably watching me right now trying to figure out what I'm doing.
Can you allow that to play with y'all?
Hey.
That's it.
Hey, Joel is walking extra fast already. He's gonna have to slow down for his North Carolinians. Get back over here.
Plan.
I got mud all over my freaking.
Chance to change, family. After this, you get soaking wet, okay? So if you need to drop something, if you need to change, please do so here in the rocks, because after this, we'll go up to the water. I'm gonna come out. This is your chance, family. If you need to change, this is your spot. If you need to drop it.
Oh, I see the rope, the swing.
Alright, what's the water? Actually, it's on the mountain. The water's hot. The water's just fucking ice water, bro.
He didn't die. You didn't die.
Oh, you were the one that I was fucking.
She's chasing them chickens. She's chasing them chickens.
Tire me out. Yeah. What?
We made it through the rainforest. We made it. I didn't think I was gonna make it. Hey, he cut his back. Good morning, y'all. It is Thursday, November 17th, and we are off on another adventure. To where, I still don't know. It's a surprise, I guess. I'll let y'all know when I know. Is he waiting?
I don't know. He didn't text me. It was just the location. There's probably a whole lot of people behind us going. Sean, you leave a whole hour early because it's
I don't recall if there's been any movie recorded right on this building, but we have similar buildings that have been used for production. Even Pirates of the Caribbean was shot in one of the factories, the fortification. The building now has the Museum of Las Americas on the second floor. Here you can learn more about our Native American.
Y'all, so far it's so cool. It's really, really fun. They surprised me and took me to Old San Juan, so you know I love this kind of stuff. Thanks, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
Down all the way down, and then you're going slowly.
Oh my God. That is beautiful.
Here you have, guys, the main entrance of the Bay of San Juan. Between those blue and green and red buoys, we can get some of the biggest cruise ships in the world. What's up, man? Hey, good. Oh,
Yeah, now I had to find me a church somewhere. What's up, y'all? Today is Friday. It is the last day, or our last full day here, because we leave in the morning. We are on the way to go scuba diving, and I am nervous as crap. I've never been scuba diving before. I don't know, but I'm going. I gotta stop following this man around, cause he crazy.
Manny Bark is your culprit? What's his name?
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So today is our last day in Puerto Rico. Okay. Today's the last day in Puerto Rico. So it's a chill day. We're just gonna chill at the beach for a little while. Take some pictures. And then go pack. I need to get a microphone. I've been looking for one, but I can't find one that's compatible with the little thing on the side.
With adapter.
You guys can find it. You ready to walk? Let's go. It's really pretty. I ain't gonna lie.
I gotta get a picture of that view.
I ain't gonna hold you. It's pretty.
You ain't gonna hold what?
I ain't gonna hold you.
You ain't gonna hold it.
Ain't that what the young people saying?
What the hell is that on that shit?
Y'all, this trip has been extra super duper fun. I promise you, if you haven't been to Puerto Rico, you need to go.
First, don't go to Hawaii.
Bae said don't go to Hawaii. I don't know why he hating on Hawaii like that. I loved Hawaii. It was just beautiful, but it wasn't like as much stuff that to do as we found here. And it probably was. We probably just didn't look for it. I didn't look for it. So today we went scuba diving. Yeah, it was super fun. I did get sick at the end. We had to like turn around, but we was turning around anyway, so I'm not even gonna blame. Yes, we were. I'm not gonna blame that on me. We was on the way back anyway. I started feeling like nauseous, but he said that was normal, especially because we're beginners. Bae was okay because he a little fish or something. I don't know. He part mermaid. But I got a little sick at the end. But I get car sick. I get motion sickness real easy anyway, so I figure that's why. But it was super fun. I started panicking at first when we first went underwater. Even though I had a thing in my mouth, it's like my nose was covered up, so I felt like I was gonna instantly die. But like the instructor kept telling us yesterday, you will not die. You will not die. Turn this camera up. People probably looking at me like, look at these darn tourists out here with their little gadgets. Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday. What's today? November something. I don't know. It is Saturday, November 19th. And it's 5:37 in the morning. We are about to go to the airport so we can go home. Back to the real world, back to my children's. And I'm not excited. I was excited, but I'm not. I'm excited to see my kids, but I'm not excited to go back to work on Monday. Is that bad? If y'all watching this. Don't blame me. I just want to stay in Puerto Rico for a little while.
What it do, y'all? It's Kay and Bit.
Bay up walking around like he just, it's nothing to him. Being up at 5 o'clock in the morning is nothing. Because he was up at 4 o'clock this morning. Meanwhile, I'm on edge. If he say one thing, I just might flip out.
One thing? Straight out the bottle, huh?
We gonna throw it away anyway. We can't take it with us. Thirsty. This was a beautiful Airbnb. The only thing about it was when we first turned in the neighborhood, I was like, I don't really know about this neighborhood, but it's real quiet. It's like old people still around here, so it's cool. It was safe. They giving me my cue. It's time to go, so let me wrap this up. All right, next time I turn my camera on, I'll more than likely be in North Carolina. So, bye-bye San Juan.